ये हॉरर करने का एक और रीजन था कि ये प्रोड्यूसर तो बहुत ही इन्फ्लुएंशियल है कि आपकी लाइफ में भी और जनरली भी।
क्या बताऊं इस प्रोड्यूसर के बारे में, क्या बताऊं इस प्रोड्यूसर के बारे में। मुझे बहुत हैरेस किया इसने,
क्या?
बहुत बहुत तंग किया इसने, बहुत तंग किया।
कोई नहीं बिलीव करेगा। Kajol, when people meet you at airports and malls where they get a chance to just take that one picture or come up to you, what do they say? Which film do they mention the most according to you?
Well, lucky for me, I don't think they mention films so much as they mention me. तो वैसे हम आपके साथ फोटो खींचना चाहते हैं, बोलते नहीं है कि हम अंजलि के साथ फोटो खींचना चाहते हैं या प्रिया के साथ फोटो खींचना चाहते हैं, सिमरन.
Right.
So I'm lucky that way that I really believe this, that I have the most amazing fans.
Who is stricter, Kajol the actress or Kajol the mother?
I would say mother.
अगर काजोल पे बायोपिक बने तो कौन आपको लगता है कर सकती है आपकी बायोपिक?
एक तो बायोपिक मेरे हिसाब से कभी बनेगी नहीं.
क्यों?
अगर बनेगी भी तो मेरे परमिशन के बगैर, मेरे परमिशन से नहीं बनेगी.
Listening
without my permission.
If you could marry Ajay Devgan's one character, which character that you love that he played, wow, stylish है, सब कुछ है कि
there is no character on screen that I can imagine I would ever get married to, because A for one they are fictional. I want to tell you that. वो किसी के मतलब imagination है और वो असली नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
All three Khans like Shahrukh Khan, Salman Khan, Aamir Khan. So according to you, who's the mischievous Khan की यार इससे बड़ा मस्तीखोर या इससे जो बॉन्ड है वो किसी और के साथ नहीं हो सकता है.
The मस्तीखोर खान.
मस्तीखोर तो तीनों नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से.
शाहरुख सर.
शाहरुख is not मस्तीखोर. Not from any angle. Shahrukh is the most hardworking. I wouldn't say the most hardworking Khan, but he's the most hardworking actor that I see on set, because he's really like works like 3 times harder than anybody else on set.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Hangama's Hangout. I'm Rohit Khilnani. This is the show where stars get to meet their fans and fans get to meet their favorite stars. Put your hands together for Kajol. Kajol, welcome. Please have a seat. Thank you so much. So guys, looking lovely as ever. Big hand for Kajol and we will start this show. Kajol, बहुत सारे सवाल है but समय बहुत कम है. We'll keep this and they have some questions. We have some photos to show you. So my first question, I'm going to take you back. आप जब छोटे थे, आप और आपके cousins, friends, horror movies देखते थे?
बिल्कुल वो देखते थे. वो जरूर देखते थे. मेरी छोटी बहन जो है वो अब तक हॉरर पिक्चर की बहुत शौकीन है और उनको इतनी हॉरर पिक्चर इतनी पसंद आती थी कि मुझे लगता था कि कोई और पिक्चर देखने में इतना मज़ा नहीं आता जितना हॉरर फिल्म देखने में मज़ा आता है. मुझे ये कभी समझ में नहीं आया. मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, मैंने कितनी बार पूछा है कि मतलब अगर डरना ही है तो मतलब मैं हूँ ना घर पे. मतलब पिक्चर देखने की क्या जरूरत है? Really, you know, why do you want to like watch a movie when I'm there at home? I can scare you whenever you want for free. You won't even have to ask me. So, but I never understood the thought behind it. लेकिन I know for a fact that everybody, सबको बहुत horror picture बहुत पसंद है.
Right. डरते थे cousins आपसे?
मुझसे बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल. अगर पिक्चर में और मुझ में कंपटीशन होता तो मैं जरूर hands down जीत जाती.
Right. Kajol, you know, why is it then that आपने horror फिल्में कम की या नहीं की, बिल्कुल क्यों? लेकिन why? I mean, did you not enjoy that genre earlier?
I'll just go down to say that I am one of those people. मैं मतलब मैंने जिंदगी में मैंने जब काम करना शुरू किया तो मैं 16 साल की थी. I was 16 at that time, and I have traveled the world. मैं दुनिया भर गई हूँ, मतलब अकेले होटल रूम में रही हूँ. और you know, all throughout the country I have stayed in hotel rooms all by myself. और बगैर डरे हुए रही हूँ. मतलब कभी किसी को पूछा नहीं कि आज मेरे रूम में रह जाओ, या you know, ये इसकी करने की जरूरत हो, उसकी करने की, वो करने की जरूरत हो. तो I have done all of that because I have not watched horror films all my life. सो उसकी वजह यही है कि मैं आराम से मतलब रास्ते पे बीच रात में घूम सकती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में ये इमेजेस हैं ही नहीं.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Right. Title Ma. What a title. Like, it's one of the best titles that one can think of. Everybody can resonate with it. Everybody can relate to it. What do you want to tell people? Ma title है, लेकिन क्या expect करें?
Well, the title is very relevant to the film.
जी.
And with all its layers. मतलब सब जो layers होते हैं जब ये शब्द लेते हो माँ तो उसके पीछे आप उसको काली माँ बुलाते हो, आप अपनी माँ बुलाते हो, कभी कभी सास को भी माँ बुलाते हो, अपने आप को माँ बुलाते हो, और आपकी बेटी जो भी होगी वो भी बड़ी होकर एक माँ ही बनेगी. तो इतने सारे लेयर्स हैं उस एक शब्द के नीचे, और जो टाइटल है दैट just resonates with each and every layer because ये सब layers जो हैं ये सब हमारी पिक्चर में हैं.
Wow.
Yes,
wow,
absolutely. So it is about each and every layer that you can imagine. और जब आप horror picture की बात करते हैं तो मैं बता दूं कि so far I had not done a horror film because of the fact that most horror films didn't have that great a script. In the 90s when somebody came to you with a script for a horror film, and I'm sure you'll go back and you'll see these films as well. They were not made with a script or a great fabulous storyline in mind. And when I agreed to do this film, I just felt that it was the right time, the right script, the right character. It all just kind of मुझे लगता है माँ का हाथ था उसके ऊपर, तो इतनी जल्दी एक साथ सब कुछ हो गया कि हमें ज्यादा कोशिश करनी नहीं पड़ी.
राइट. माँ का हाथ आपके सर पे भी है. यू आर अ बिग बिलीवर ऑफ काली माँ. व्हाट इंस्पायर्स यू अबाउट दैट फिगर? व्हाट इज इंस्पायरिंग?
What inspires me? What doesn't inspire
Everything
me?
Inspires.
Everything. I think from the time that I was a child, I have visited the Durga Puja. मैं जब भी माँ को देखती हूँ उसके 8 हाथ होते हैं और उसके नवरात्रि में 9 रूप होते हैं, और मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ कि हर औरत इस दुनिया में कि उसके भी 9 रूप होते हैं. वो माँ होती है, बहन होती है, बेटी होती है, बीवी होती है, बीवी की बहन होती है. तो मतलब और हमें हर लड़की को आई थिंक बचपन से या जो सिखाया जाता है कि ये सारे रूप आपको निभाने हैं. और and I'm speaking in a very feminist way,
right,
to say that women are and in the nicest way, to say that women are taught from the time that they are children by example,
right,
by society, by the people around them, that this is your power. The fact that you can change, the fact that you have the ability to change from a daughter to a sister to a wife to a mother to a friend to everything. You are such a and I think my husband has said that to me. Ajay ji ne mujhe ek baar kaha tha, you're so lucky. You don't know how lucky you are that you can become Nissa's friend also. You will eventually become a grandmother. You will, you are a mother. You have been my wife. You have managed all of these roles quite nicely and naturally.
Right.
You didn't have to make an effort, but today as a man, I have to make an effort to be, to make an effort to be all of these things. Right. So as a woman, we are actually taught from the time that we are child. We're so amazingly adaptable. हमारे 9 रूप जिसको आप बोलते हैं, तो I think I think we're amazing. True. I think we're the
absolutely amazing. Fabulous. Big hand to every woman present here, every woman watching. Big hand. What Ajay said is absolutely incredible. तो ये हॉरर करने का एक और रीजन था कि ये प्रोड्यूसर तो बहुत ही इन्फ्लुएंशियल है कि आपकी लाइफ में भी और जनरली भी.
क्या बताऊं इस प्रोड्यूसर के बारे में, मुझे बहुत हैरेस किया इसने. क्या? बहुत तंग किया इसने, बहुत तंग किया.
कोई नहीं बिलीव करेगा.
No, he was actually quite a wonderful producer. I have to say that about him. But he was, I mean, in that sense that जैसे मैंने कहा ना, ये पिक्चर जो है वो बस बन गई. हमने ज्यादा कोशिश नहीं की. हमारे जो बोलते हैं ना, जैसे हम एक पिक्चर बनाते हैं, हम पूरी कोशिश करते हैं एक अच्छी पिक्चर बनाए. But everything, even from, I think you must have seen it in the trailer, from
Yeah.
the Kali Ma statue.
Yeah, yeah.
That statue was so beautiful. I think the first time मैंने पहली बार वो statue को देखा,
हाँ.
set पे ही देखा तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मन में एक श्रद्धा आती है
Right.
किसी चीज को देखकर,
हाँ.
और it was really really beautiful.
Right.
So
ट्रेलर की बात आई तो एक जब आप गाड़ी चला के जल्दी से अपनी बेटी को लेके जा रहे हो, एक विंडो पे कुछ फिगर आती है और स्लैम होती है, ये सब सेट पे कैसा होता है?
सेट पे आपको BTS देखना पड़ेगा उसके लिए, बट इट इज सेट पे भी मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये मुझे डरा रहे थे.
डर लगता है?
बिल्कुल. सेट पे भी डर लगता था क्योंकि you do it with these cables and things like that, जो आपको पता है कि कॉन्शियसली, मतलब आपको लॉजिकली पता है कि केबल है,
हाँ,
लॉजिकली पता है कि ये असल में ऐसे दिखती नहीं है, बहुत स्वीट बच्चे हैं, मतलब रियली बहुत स्वीट बच्चे थे, मतलब कोई बदतमीजी नहीं थी, और रियली स्वीट एंड नाइस एंड प्लीज एंड थैंक यू. बट जब आपको उसको सडनली देखते हो, ऐसे अचानक देखते हो, इट्स स्कैरी. इट इज वेरी वेरी स्कैरी.
राइट. आपने कहा कि अब तक आपने कोई देखी नहीं है तो आपको डर नहीं लगा कोई भी होटल रूम में कहीं भी जाने से, लेकिन अब आपको पता है ये कैसे बनती है ये फिल्म, अब हॉरर देखोगे आगे जाके?
फिर भी डर लगता है.
फिर भी डर लगेगा?
हाँ, फिर भी डर लगता है. आई एम अ फुल्ली फिल्मी क्रीचर. जब मैं पिक्चर देखने जाती हूँ तो मतलब आई थिंक इन अ थिएटर व्हेन यू वॉच अ फिल्म यू आर फुल्ली इमर्स्ड इन दैट फिल्म. एटलीस्ट आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग कि इसको कैसे क्रिटिक करना चाहिए और ये शॉट अच्छा होना चाहिए और ये गलत होना चाहिए और ऐसे होना चाहिए था और वैसे होना चाहिए था. आई डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. सो आई एम अ फुल्ली movie goer, the old world movie goer person who is not sitting and criticizing the movie. So
Guys, ऐसे ही enjoy करना चाहिए. जाओ और just enjoy करो. ये shot ऐसा था, ये गाना यहाँ क्यों है, 100 करोड़ कमाई, ये सबसे हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
Right. One thing that a lot of people would like to learn from both you and Ajay, what should they keep in mind for longevity? You all have seen the test of time. You all have been stars earlier, you all are stars now, you all are headlining projects now. क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि young actor जो ये interview देख रहा है, longevity के लिए क्या दिमाग में रखना चाहिए?
Longevity. What would I say? I think the fact that I think every actor has to keep reinventing themselves, and they should ideally reinvent themselves with every film. Right. If not with every film, every third film at least. Okay. Yeah. That try new things, do things that you would not expect yourself to do, which is why we are doing this film as well. इसीलिए माँ की थी. नहीं, but I think just keep reinventing yourself and do new things, because I think this time is fabulous that we are in right now. Maybe because of social media or whatever, but we have this place. I don't know. We've all reached this wonderful space where we can do anything. It doesn't matter. We don't only have to be actors. We can be anything else that we choose to be, dabble our hands with, and we can fail.
And do something else, right?
And we can fail, and it's not the end of the world if we do. Yeah. I think that in itself is the biggest takeaway that I would tell, every newcomer who's coming in, that it's okay, that you will eventually, I'm not saying that you will eventually win, succeed, whatever. I'm just saying that you can try 100 different things, because all these options are open to you.
Yeah. You said पहले जब horror scripts भी आती थी, they were not as exciting for an actor also. अब जब generally आप देखते हैं, आपके पास भी जो scripts आती है, दो पति आई, ये आई, do you see a big change, the kind of writing that comes to you?
I would say that I always had good writing coming to me. I always had good writing coming to me. I didn't do movies unless I liked the script.
Yeah.
So जब तक मुझे script पूरी तरह से पसंद नहीं आती, जब तक मुझे लगता है कि ये ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट है जिसके बारे में मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ या इसको एक दूसरे लेवल पे लेके जा सकती हूँ, मैं करती नहीं. मैं I don't do the film. I would rather not work. I have the luxury of being able to take that time
decision,
and not working and doing one film in a year or maybe 2 films in a year. Rather than having to work just नहीं अभी कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं अगले 6 महीने के लिए, चलो पिक्चर कर लो. No, I don't want to do that. I have never done that. So मैं कहूँगी कि writing wise I would say that I always have done well-written films.
Wow, that's so interesting that that you are okay waiting for the good one. In that gap, is there ever that restlessness? यार time हो गया, release हो गई कि कुछ आना चाहिए.
Of course, you do feel restless. You
हाँ.
do feel like, oh God, the whole world, दुनिया मतलब आगे
आगे
चली
चल
जा रही है
रही
और
है.
मैं यहाँ पे I'm waiting. But
हाँ.
I think that's just something that you live with and you
Hmm.
work around rather than letting it worry you or letting it. And the fact of the matter is, the real bone down deep fact is that I know I'm worthy.
Right.
And I know I'm talented,
Yeah.
and it will happen. It's in its own time and space.
Right. Yeah, that's that what you said is right. You have chosen the best scripts. We've all been fans. हमारे classroom के blackboard पे लिखा होता था Kajol is the killer. So you can which film, guys? Which film? Well done. Right. So so basically, so what she's saying is definitely it's a great time for actors, storytellers, everyone. Kajol, when people meet you at airports and malls where they get a chance to just take that one picture or come up to you, what do they say? Which film do they mention the most according to you?
Well, lucky for me, I don't think they mention films so much as they mention me. तो वैसे हम आपके साथ फोटो खींचना चाहते हैं, बोलते नहीं है कि हम अंजलि के साथ फोटो खींचना चाहते हैं या प्रिया के साथ फोटो खींचना चाहते हैं सिमरन.
Right.
So I'm lucky that way that I really believe this, that I have the most amazing fans. I do. I say that everywhere, but because I'm so lucky. I have, become fat, become thin, grown my hair, cut my hair, become pregnant, got married, come back from my pregnancy. And throughout it all, I have this, amazing group of people that love me unconditionally and have given me this awesome support. And I'm truly grateful for that because I don't know, and I know a lot of people who feel, uncomfortable. Ki, hi, I've put on weight with my pregnancy, and do I look good today? Do I not look good today? And I've felt it as well. But I always come back and I'm like, shit, they love me regardless.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. So yeah, thank you guys. Big thank you for all of it, for making me feel good on days that I didn't. And for making me believe in myself on the days that I didn't, really.
You have broken the stereotypes off camera, on camera. You were talking about just social media. Is for the younger actors, do you think it's a bit of a distraction? जो भी है, ये to chase this likes and आज कुछ डालो photo.
मुझे लगता है अभी सोशल मीडिया जो है आपके काम का एक हिस्सा बन चुकी है.
Okay.
So I don't think you can avoid it. It is definitely a part of my life as well. So I would say काम का एक हिस्सा बन गई है.
काम का हिस्सा.
बिल्कुल. So I think that it's something that you have to just live with, work around, work through, and.
But you should keep it that way and not make it your life, because if that likes and views becomes your life, then they keep chasing that.
I guess it's true. Yeah.
Right. Another thing that was not there earlier were paparazzi who are always waiting for you wherever you go. आप यहाँ पे आए यहाँ आप अगले इंटरव्यू पे जाओगे वहाँ पे होंगे. Is there something that you could change?
What to change? I am a little conscious with the paps. I do feel that there are certain places where they should, at least where they shouldn't be. But again, I find it very strange when they run after, at a chotha, you're attending a death ceremony, किसी की चौथे पे आप गए हो और कोई आपके पीछे बोल रहा है मैडम फोटोग्राफ. Yeah, I find that odd.
Right.
I find that a little disrespectful. I find it strange actually that you can't even go for you can't go for lunch, or they're following you for kilometers. Like I get into my car and from Juhu, and they followed me all the way from Juhu to Bandra to halfway to town to to see where I'm getting off and which building I'm going into. So yeah, I find that a little odd. Yeah, and I find that disturbing because if I was a normal person, would you do that? Right. Wouldn't I have just taken you to the cops and said that this gentleman on the scooter is following me? मैं क्या बोलूँगी पुलिस को अब? मैं पुलिस को रोक के तो नहीं बोल सकती हूँ ना, sir, कि स्कूटर वाले मेरे पीछे आ रहे हैं, उनको जरा पकड़ लो, अरेस्ट कर लो.
Right, that is true. That is become a part of every actor's lives. Coming back to the to the film, the climax was quite brutal. I was told the shooting it. You all were throughout in this red sand. What was that? Yeah, what was that like?
It was आप पिक्चर देखेंगे तो आप समझ सकेंगे कि इतनी it was really really difficult. Like I say, action is shot with we had a lot of cable work. We had a lot of just general action, mud, holding things, attacking, hitting, pushing, pulling, shoving, which, let's be honest, I'm a girl. I'm a girl. I don't like getting dirty. I don't like being pushed. I like being shoved. It's just not my thing. But yes, it definitely worked out beautifully. Right. And when you see the shots and you see everything how it's lined up and how it comes across, you're like, okay, the effort was worth it.
Right. I can imagine because, I'm the biggest fan of Ajay Devgan, and I remember him talking about the red sand when he did Legend of Bhagat Singh. He said, humne sand bhi authentic rakhi thi. So he's also shot in red sand.
Oh God.
So he wanted you also to shoot in red sand.
Basically. So if I've been tortured, let me torture you like this as well. Okay.
Right. Okay, so we'll go to some fun questions. Kajol, these are just some rapid questions for you. Who is stricter, Kajol the actress or Kajol the mother?
Who's stricter?
Yeah.
I would say mother. No, fortunately for me, I was a very strict mother, but I think मैंने अपने बच्चों को बहुत अच्छी तरह से सिखा दिया है, तो मतलब थोड़ा सा डर बिठा दिया है उनमें, तो मतलब मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं,
right.
आंखें काफी है.
Right. Kajol in 1999 or Kajol in 2025, who is more fun?
More fun? I think 2025.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now.
I think I'm way cooler today. It's more like looking at unformed clay, and you look at yourself today and you're a halfway done masterpiece. So I love who I am today.
Right. अगर काजोल पे बायोपिक बने तो कौन आपको लगता है कर सकती है आपकी बायोपिक?
एक तो बायोपिक मेरे हिसाब से कभी बनेगी नहीं.
क्यों?
अगर बनेगी भी तो मेरे परमिशन के बगैर, मेरे परमिशन से नहीं बनेगी.
Listening
without my permission.
Right. Do you have a 2 a.m. friend? Would you call someone to vent? Are you ever awake?
I am a 2 a.m. I have a friend who lives in the US, so I'd probably call her up because of the time difference. And I have friends all over who would, some people whom I know are awake. And some people whom I know are not awake. So
right.
Yes.
Right. Are you superstitious? Is there one superstition thing that you believe कि हाँ भाई ये नहीं करूँगी मैं, कुछ गलत होएगा?
The only superstition I believe in, I think, which I take very seriously, is मैं भगवान का नाम लेकर ही कुछ काम शुरू करती हूँ. और अगर मैं पिक्चर शुरू करती हूँ तो the first thing I do is if I sign a film, I do go and I touch my mother's feet.
Nice.
So that's the one thing that I'm very clear about. I want her blessings. अगर हो सके तो अगर वो पहले दिन के शूट पे भी आ सके तो I will ask her to come. But if she doesn't, I definitely want her blessings on my head.
The best thing in the world, guys. The best thing in the world. If you were to trust someone to babysit your kids when they were younger,
I don't trust anybody.
Nobody.
Nobody.
You'll be there.
मैं कभी किसी के ऊपर मतलब I truly believe that nobody can take care of my kids the way I can.
Okay.
And that's the truth. I mean किसी को भी रख लो कि there is no way that anybody can manage the way I can. They'll manage, but they'll manage.
Manage, yeah, वो manage
ठीक से नहीं करेंगे काम.
ऐसे नहीं, yeah, kids won't grow up like that, right? If you could marry Ajay Devgan's one character, which character that you love that he played, wow, stylish है, सब कुछ है कि this character I can marry?
Honestly, I think that there is no character on screen that I can imagine I would ever get married to. Because A for one, they are fictional. I want to tell you that. वो किसी के मतलब imagination है और वो असली नहीं है.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, yeah.
The man, of course, I would have to say is flawed and imperfect and that's it. That's perfect.
Yeah, yeah. बिल्कुल. We have some photos to show you and we would like you to tell us ये कहाँ खींचे थे, कुछ memory आपको याद है इन photos की?
Oh, this was, yes. Karan was Karan was showing us. He was playing Aloknath.
Oh,
Karan was playing Aloknath.
that's a great one.
He was playing Aloknath and he was telling us कि shot में see y'all have to come right now and y'all will come and y'all will hug and ये गाने के time पे था I
गाने
think,
के time पे था.
if I'm not mistaken.
ये कहाँ था, क्या scene इसके बाद आया?
Oh, this is with Saroj ji.
जी.
हाँ, DDLJ. This is in Switzerland and that's Aditya Chopra. A very
Very
blurred
rare
photograph
picture.
of Aditya Chopra. He's real.
Yeah.
वो असली हैं. और इस फोटोग्राफ से पता चलता है जो दिखाई दे रहा है ना आपको सबको और नजदीक लाऊं if you can zoom in on it, can you see his features?
Yeah.
No. This is done because we have purposely done this
Yeah.
so that you never know what he looks like.
We
कभी
have-
किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि what Aditya Chopra originally looks
Yeah,
like.
yeah. We have managed a picture of him. It's a big deal, guys. ये कब की बात है और कहाँ था ये? किसने
Oh
खींचा?
wow. I don't remember.
Okay. We will dig this out. ये कहाँ था?
Oh, yes. I think ये photograph था जब I was trying to imitate the expression of the horse next to me. घोड़ा ऐसे ही देख रहा था मेरी तरफ जब मैंने उसको मतलब उसकी कॉपी करने की कोशिश की थी.
Okay, आप
घोड़ी थी.
घोड़ी को एक्टिंग सिखा रहे थे आप बेसिकली. ये आपका मैंने पहले कभी नहीं देखा है.
Oh, this is Tanisha है actually. She was going. She and me were. I think मेरी शादी का photograph है.
Okay.
हाँ. So I think this was when I was getting married on something or something like that. So she wanted me to do her eyeliner.
Wow.
So
In
yeah.
the middle of all that, you did that. Amazing. ये कहाँ था और?
Oh, this is in Switzerland. Gautam had flown to Switzerland while we were shooting for
Okay.
Ishq
Okay.
to do a photo session for I think Filmfare if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
So
Okay. Nice.
these pictures went for that.
Guys, this is a lovely picture. Yeah. Yes, this picture. कहाँ था? क्या scene shoot होने वाले थे?
Oh my God, this was so cold. My name is Khan, this is, and I want to tell you that जितने भी jackets पहने हैं मैंने उस picture में किसी की भी lining नहीं थी. तो इतनी ठंडी लग रही थी. I look like I'm very warm.
Cool, yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking like I'm feeling like I'm in a jacket and a muffler and God knows what else and all that. But I want to tell you, they were really thin jackets.
Right.
They were
Okay.
really, really thin jackets, and we were dying over here.
Oh my God, yeah. Wow, this is a beautiful photo.
Thank you. I don't remember this.
Oh yeah, I don't expect you to remember.
Bazigar.
Razigar.
Can I say any more?
Yeah, that's true. You can't. Yeah. What a beautiful one. This looks like fun. You all were literally also having fun along with shooting.
Yes, we did.
कहाँ था? You could-
This was on the lake. I want to tell you, it was on Yash Chopra Lake
Oh,
in
wow.
Switzerland.
Yeah.
So we actually went, the bus went there and we actually took this entire montage shot over there because Adi was like, we have to shoot at Yash Chopra Lake.
Yes, Chopra Lake.
Yeah.
Wow. Where was this?
This was, thank you so much. This was on a set.
Oh, this was on a set?
This was on a set in
Okay.
Yashraj Studios.
Okay. Oh, yes, that's good. Oh my God, we thought ये पता नहीं कितनी beautiful जगह पे
ये
होगा.
कश्मीर में नहीं था और बोट पे नहीं था. This was on a set in Yashraj Studios.
Right. ये तो मैं पूछ नहीं सकता हूँ कहाँ था, क्यों था, क्या कुछ question नहीं पूछ सकता, लेकिन आप बताइए ये what do you, yeah.
कहाँ था मैं
नहीं,
बता दूं, हमारे
हाँ.
घर पे था.
अच्छा, आपके घर पे, हाँ. Yeah.
और क्यों था वो
क्यों
मुझे
आया?
आज तक
बिल्कुल
पता
नहीं,
है,
कोई
तो
नहीं पूछ रहा
आगे
ऐसे,
चलते हैं.
ऐसे कोई नहीं पूछ रहा. Yeah.
Oh,
This is about what a beautiful shot.
Absolutely lovely.
हाँ.
This was in Iceland,
हाँ.
and this was in Iceland, and on it was on a black sand beach.
Yes, yeah.
And it was stunning because
The
it
black
was,
sand.
I think, minus something, minus 10 or minus 12 or some crap like that. And it was the wind chill factor was, I think the wind chill factor was like, I don't know. I don't know what the wind chill factor was. It was like 30 miles per hour or some shit like that. It
Right.
was
One good thing about your job is that you get to go to amazing places, right? Like, do you like that?
And suffer in chiffon saris. And sleeveless clothes. Yes, it's a benefit.
Yeah. But do you don't like cold, obviously?
No.
Not at all.
But I don't like extreme heat either.
Yeah.
Oh, this was in yes, प्यार तो होना ही था in Chandigarh.
In Chandigarh.
We shot, yeah, हम लोगों ने एक acre पे we had rented the land and we had planted our sarso because we wanted the sarso to flower when we had the dates to shoot.
Wow.
तो हमने बहुत सोच समझ के सरसों उस वक्त प्लांट की थी जब हमारे पास डेट थे शूटिंग के लिए.
Wow, ऐसे भी होता है. Yeah, I didn't know that. Yeah. Lastly, yeah, beautiful picture, lovely.
पूरी जिंदगी निकाल दी आपने.
Yeah.
This was the very, very famous Ishq. And yes,
Funny
I don't
movie.
remember the scene in it, but I don't know. Do you guys remember the scene? कौन सा scene था? I don't remember. Okay.
Right. You know, if you had a choice, which out of these places would you go back to?
Which of these moments? I don't know. I would not go back to any
any.
of them. Maybe Switzerland?
Yeah, nice.
Maybe Switzerland when I was shooting DDLJ. But honestly, I don't know whether I would go back. I think I love where I am right now.
yeah.
I love who I am right now. So no, I love to see them in pictures.
Right.
But I want to tell you that I was freezing, uncomfortable, hot,
Right.
cold, working
Right.
in 90% of
Working,
them.
yeah.
Besides the wedding picture. But उधर भी लग रहा था कि काम ही चल रहा है.
Right. Before I go to them, I also want to ask you, since you've done so much work, are there films that you said no to and then they go and become big hits and you're like, yaar, karni chahiye thi? Any of those happened?
बहुत सारी पिक्चरें हैं जिसको मैंने ना कर दी थी और आगे जाके हिट बनी थी. But I don't regret any one of them.
Okay.
And I think I don't think I was right for any one of them.
Okay,
I
that's
think they probably did well because I was not in them.
Smart. Yeah. Full marks. Guys, we'll give you all the mic. Yeah, please ask a question. Yes.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Sanjana.
Hi.
So you're the most iconic actor of the Bollywood industry. We love the most.
Thank you.
So you have worked with all three Khans like Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan. So according to you, who's the mischievous Khan की यार इससे बड़ा मस्तीखोर या इससे जो बॉन्ड है वो किसी और के साथ नहीं हो सकता है.
The मस्तीखोर खान.
मस्तीखोर तो तीनों नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से.
शाहरुख सर.
शाहरुख is not a मस्तीखोर. Not from
सबसे
any
मस्तीखोर
angle.
कोई
Shahrukh
और
is the
है.
most hardworking, I wouldn't say the most hardworking Khan, but he's the most hardworking actor that I see on set because he's really, really works 3 times harder than anybody else on set. मस्तीखोर मुझे नहीं लगता है कि तीनों में से तीनों they're very, very dudes and come on set and do their thing. Yeah, they're great to work with, fabulous, great people to work with, and great fun to talk to. But masttikhor is a very strange word for them.
So
Right.
looking stunning in yellow sari. Love you.
Right. That brings me that I to one question. मस्तीखोर and prankster सबसे famous एक ही है, वो है अजय देवगन. आपके साथ कभी since producer
नहीं. सवाल खत्म होने से पहले ही बता दो.
Yes. Next question. Yes.
Hello, Kajal ma'am. My name is Kajal.
Wow.
Nice name.
Me and my daughter are your huge fans since Kuch Krota and Ketri ji. She has made a gesture drawing for you.
So sweet.
How sweet. Thank
She
you.
want an autograph also.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Can we do this after the show? Yeah. I'll keep this and we'll sign it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So many people come with K3G and Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum ये सब films, but ये सब शादी की फिल्म सिर्फ 5-6 बनी थी, but दुनिया अब तक देखे जा रही है, right?
I believe that they were good films.
They were very good films. We love them. Yeah. Next question.
Hello, Kajol ma'am. My name is Sukanya. And firstly, I want to say that I feel like, right now I'm feeling like I'm living in my मतलब अभी 20s में हूँ तो मतलब 10s में because my childhood was about SRK and Kajol, and no wonder that I'm so blessed to have. I mean, I could talk to you the reason why I'm fumbling so bad. एंड जब आपने पैप्स वाला बोला तब मुझे भी इतना ज़्यादा गिल्ट हुआ, क्योंकि कितने बारी मैंने वर्सोवा से जुहू में आपका पीछा किया है, मतलब आपके ड्राइवर
थे
से
वो।
सब सेटिंग लगा के रखा है, दोनों ड्राइवर से, एंड आई नो दैट दे आर ब्रदर्स, एंड आपके बर्थडे के टाइम में हम लोग आए थे वहाँ पे, एंड आई फेल्ट सो गिल्टी टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट या आई मीन इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ मुझे खुद को नहीं पता.
So sweet.
एंड
कुछ सवाल होगा उसके बाद.
yes, yes, है. I want to know any one of the behind the scenes जो कि SRK और काजोल के बीच में हुआ है, which we never got to see or we don't know about it.
Some fun set thing.
Yes.
Some fun set anecdote. No, we never had any fun set anecdote. I think Shah Rukh has probably saved me about 150 times at least. And on screen also and off screen also. I think he's the best person to tell you about all them, because I don't even remember most of them. First of all, let me tell you, Sukanya, that I don't see you looking older than 10 today. You still look 10, darling.
Yeah.
Okay. Secondly, please don't follow me.
Yes.
Please don't follow
अब
me.
जब ये निकलेंगे हम
आपने
आपको.
बोल दिया बस.
Yeah. Now when she leaves, we'll tie you here.
No, not at all. But I think that what can I say? I do remember. I can't even count the amount of times that I've almost fallen, and he's caught me and brought me back. I think ये जो photo था यहाँ पे, ये इस हम shoot कर रहे थे यहाँ पे इस beach पे actually एक there's a plane.
Yeah,
There's a
plane.
half
Yeah.
broken
Tower.
plane
Yeah.
from World War II, and we were both standing on top of the plane. And I think I nearly fell off the plane also, God knows how many times. So, matlab, as we know, I only fall on flat ground.
Okay.
Please, I make sure that ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है. मतलब, if there is a mountain, I will climb it like a goat.
Wow.
But if there is flat ground, beware.
Yeah.
So yes, so I think he's been very sweet and very kind, and look, what do I say? He's just been very sweet and very kind to me.
Fine. Thank you.
Also, just
Quickly.
little.
Yes,
थोड़ा-
yes.
थोड़ा सा. Also, just want to tell you कि जिस दिन दिलवाले रिलीज हुआ था, that's the day I joined Instagram, और मेरा first post भी दिलवाले का ही है. उस टाइम तो editing नहीं आता था, but कैसे भी collage करके I just scrolled and all of that. 2015. I was just 14 then.
Wow.
Yeah.
Like I said, you don't look older than that right now also.
I'm older than your daughter though. I met her. Even she's such a nice person, and she's. I mean, yeah.
Fine.
I just.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much for
Sukanya.
coming. Yeah, we'll take one more question.
Hi, ma'am. I'm big fan of yours and Rani, ma'am. So I want to know how is the bond between Tina and Anjali in real life?
Well, Tina and Anjali have a very interesting bond in real life. No, we're cousins. We are family, and we definitely have. It's about. Yeah, I may not call her up every day. She may not call me up every day. But yes, we are in touch, and we are family. I can't explain it any better than that.
And my sister is also part of this mom movie. She has done stunt woman
Nice.
as a ghost.
Nice.
मैंने उनको बोला था मुझे मिलवा दो काजल मैम को, बोलती नहीं यार मैं नहीं मिलाऊंगी,
देखो।
बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है वो.
मैं बहुत strict हूँ. Set
Yeah.
पे मैं बहुत strict हूँ.
Yeah, she told me.
Right. Thank you. देखो हमने मिलवा दिया ना. Big hand, guys, to Kajol. Yeah. Yes. One. Yeah. Last thing. Yes.
Hi Kajol ma'am.
Hi.
Firstly, I want to tell you something. मेरे ऑफिस में मेरी टीम मुझे गुप्त की काजोल बुलाती है.
Oh.
I don't know मैंने ऐसा क्या किया है, but yeah. And my
मतलब किसका खून किया है या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं किसी का खून करने वाली है?
Right.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है, seriously. So my question to you is कि as a mom, I'm sure you'll be curious to know what's happening in your children's life. Similarly, my mom is also. तो ऐसे कुछ ट्रिक्स है जो आप मुझे बता सकते हो कि मैं अगली बार थोड़ा बच के रहूँ कि
Oh
अच्छा
my God.
मम्मी ये कर रही है, मतलब she is trying to dig in something.
I don't think I will tell you that
Yes.
because I think your mother deserves to know everything
Yes.
that is happening in your life. जो भी तुम्हारी जिंदगी में हो रहा है, अपनी माँ को जाके बताना चाहिए रोज, like a confession box. रोज सुबह जाना, मम्मी आज ये हुआ मेरी जिंदगी में.
Okay,
देखो हम माँ पिक्चर प्रमोट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो you should have thought of that. Big hand to her guys. She made time and she came to meet you all. Thank you so much.